Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. First thing I want you to do is just go ahead and launch your PayPal app, come here, click on transfer, and then click on a transfer to bank. Now, if you don't have it added already, you can come here, click on this plus icon, and then click on a link a bank account. Just search for your bank name. In this case, just search Revolut. If you don't find it, that's fine. Just click on enter your bank details, and you need to choose your country and IBAN, right? But what you need to do now is you just go ahead to Revolut, okay? Come here at the top left, click on your profile icon, and then click on account, and click on account details. Choose your account details for whichever account you want. Let's say either this one or euros, and then you'll find all your details right here. So you can copy everything, and then you just go ahead and paste in the IBAN. Then you add your bank account. Once it's linked, now you can choose as an option. It's giving this because we already had it added. So you choose the option where you want to transfer to, right? Just come here, transfer to bank. Just show it to you again. Choose the account. Just enter the amount and proceed with the transfer. Really that easy. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.